Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be continuing with solo challenges. Here is my team. I'm planning on changing it a little for next video. Probably gonna, well, no, because I'm probably gonna get rid of Dangler Zone and then fix my defense a little. But we will see. So yeah, here are my synergies, and we'll get right into it. So today we're going to be playing the Carolina Hurricanes, and if we win, we get 1,000 coins. So let's get right into the game. Alright, let's get into it. Now the Hurricanes, I have a feeling they're going to be a pretty scary team next year. Depending if... Ooh, okay, that was a nice shot. I was going to say, depending on if Darling plays well. If their young players actually show through. Most they get, they got a couple of good Hawks. I mean, Kruger, he's not amazing, but he's definitely going to be a good depth guy for them. He's good. He's probably the...
When you're screen like that, you just have to hope it hits you.
I was going to say best. No, he's not the best. But he's definitely one of the top bottom 6 forward players in the league. One of the better defensive players. And they got TVR, who, I mean, he's nothing amazing, but he's a good bottom 2 defenseman. Who else they get? They got Darling. I know they drafted somebody cool, but I forgot who. Crap. They have a bunch of young talent that's just gonna, like, once they all click, it's gonna be pretty scary for other teams. Pretty happy for Hurricane fans.
Carolina's on the move up the wing, and he dumps it in. Hannafin's got it in the defensive zone, headed to center. He's alone. Save.
I'm actually like excited for Darling.
Carolina's got some time left if things work perfectly.
Because I'm pretty sure no one thinks he can be a starter. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna be. I mean, he's kind of older. He's not too old. But like, he'll probably have a couple of years of great play in him. But after that, I think we'll go downhill. But I think this year, I think Hurricanes are gonna make the playoffs. Not gonna lie. I honestly think they'll make the playoffs. They're not a bad team. They're just, I don't know, it's weird. They got Skinner, have Rask as a center, who actually, I haven't watched much of him, but I've heard he's super good. I know they have Teuvo. Teuvo is my favorite Hawks prospect for years. And we just traded him away for nothing. That hurt a little, not gonna lie. But then we got to brink it, so it's okay. Hopefully we don't just trade him away. Oh my god, dude. I'd be so upset.
Good job on that face-off, tying the man up. Superb defensive play by Fall. The Hurricanes have control of the.
So yeah, I'm thinking about picking up thinking about getting rid of Doughty and maybe trying to pick up Scott Niedermayer, maybe, or I might wait till the Hawks legend comes out. Well, I'm hoping they have a Hawk. Well, yeah, Bobby Holt, obviously.
March narrowly.
I forgot. I was like, they got rid of Roenick, but they didn't get rid of Cole, I don't think. Well, Roenick's a hero now. They didn't get rid of him. Oh my god.
So he will circle back.
But yeah, thinking about picking him up, and then hopefully that would allow me to get, what's it called? Start the level head leadership or whatever. Or no, locker room leadership, I think. Level head leadership was last year. Pretty sure. I don't know. Whatever one that is, because Taves has that. I want to pick up Taves. But Niedermeyer has 2 for locker room leadership and 1 for speedster, which Doughty's a speedster, so he'll be replacing Doughty. And then I'll be getting rid of, I guess, yeah, it's gonna suck. I'm gonna have to get rid of Tavares. I rid of Tavares, but I'll probably end up picking, like, picking up someone crazy. Someone maybe by the name of Jamie Benn, I don't know. Thinking about it. Not gonna lie. That'd be awesome. I'm still hoping, like, they're adding new legends. No one that, like, they're not adding, like, I mean, they're good players, but, like, dude, if they added Solani in here, I'd automatically want him. Obviously, I would love Gretzky and Lemieux, but I think they just don't have their rights at all. And I'm pretty sure I would have, like, someone would have found out if they had their rights. I think who else? Like, Bobby Orr, obviously, that'd be sick. But I just don't think, I don't know, like, they're adding players that are legends, but they're not legends. Like, they're good players, but like, they're not legend, like, material. I don't know.
And possession snapped up by Fall. In his own end, puck still on his stick. In the slot, he's got it.
Come on.
To the point it comes.
I've heard Slavin's supposed to be pretty good too.
Terrific challenge, outstanding save. Seems like he was in too tight.
I don't even, honestly, I know he plays defense, but I don't know, like, how he plays.
Gains the zone.
I don't even know who, like, I just heard the name before. Kaner. Oh.
Controlled by Kane.
Kane. What you gonna do?
Approaching the final minute in this game.
What you gonna do, Kane?
Puck held near the point. Brings a shot. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away. To the slot. He scores. 3 straight goals.
I love Kane. He's such a good player, man. Oh my god. I was thinking about selling Kane and trying out, like, Crosby. But, I mean, I don't know. Not worth it, in my opinion.
Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. One-timer.
Ooh. The Tang. What a blast. Okay, Backstrom win it back. No.
Gets in. What'll he do?
Yeah, but the defenders will probably end up getting rid of his the Shattenkirk, Krug, and maybe Hanifin. Hopefully I could fit them somewhere. Oh no. Don't end like this.
Wonderful save. What skill by
Oh, that was close.
Not often you're all alone in front of the
Good game, good game.
And that's the end of the game.
Beat the Carolina Hurricanes. Reward 1,000 coins. Pretty good, my 3 stars. Doughty, Yossi, and Schmaltz. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, that's going to be the end of the game, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.